Listen. Hey guys, from Fahim Tech and back to the video. So this is a really exciting video because in this video we're gonna unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold. As you can see right here, I just got it from the Apple store and I just took it there off because I just couldn't wait to see the phone. But don't worry guys, I did not touch anything else. So as you can see right here, the first thing you notice, the box is so slim. Why? Because there's no break and there's no headphone, because Apple say we need to be eco-friendly, so that's why they took it up. But other than that, the box look pretty nice. So now let's just open up the box and see what does it come with. So if we just lift it up, so now, wow, and that is horrible. As you can see it here, so that's the package. You're gonna put this to the side, and this is the phone. As you can see it here, so this is a 12 Pro Max in gold. This is the 128 gigabyte. As you can see it here, so there's a 3 camera and there's a one you're gonna see right here. So there's the lighter for AR, and then this is the power button. I don't know what is that. And in the phone, nothing. In the side is the mute and then volume up and down, and also the SIM tray. Bottom is still the a lighting cable, but yeah, it's Apple. And in the bottom you're gonna see now there's only lighting cable. So this is the lighting to type C, and right here is a SIM tool. And there's only one thing that I don't like. There's only one Apple sticker. Why Apple? Why they have to remove the Apple sticker? Now is the most satisfying thing, son. Oh, that is good. And now we're just gonna turn it on. Boom. As you said here, this is the 12 Pro Max in gold. One more time. So guys, also this does have the Apple A14 Bionic chip, so then it's really fast. And then also this does have a max chip and also wireless charging. So as you can see here, so this does have a 6.7-inch screen, and also if you don't know, all the iPhone 12 models OLED, and also as you can see here, so there's a less bezel. So guys, so that is it for this quick video. If you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Guys, also if you need to see more video about the iPhone 12 Pro Max, about the camera test, the battery test, and all the feature and stuff, then don't forget to comment down below. And also if you need to know how to set it up, it's really easy. So that's what I'm not going to show you guys. But if you need to see that, then just comment down below. And see you guys in the next video. Then peace out.